We will now customize the bill of materials. I will zoom in a bit. I will use Windows Zoom, and I will double click the bill of materials, and we will come to this dialog window where we can change the layout for the bill of materials. And we will add a column. I will select this D column, right click and insert a column, and the new column will be placed to the left of the selected one. So I'll select a new one, grab, and I will drag it to the right, and when we see the red vertical line I will drop it here like so. And in this column we could add for instance materials, supplier, manufacturer, weight, perhaps document number. But if you add material, it's better to collect the material from the 3D scene, because it is a possibility in the 3D scene to set the material and also get the right density, instead of typing the material here and then transfer that information to the 3D scene. But in our case we will type manufacturer, or choose manufacturers as a title. So I will double click this title cell and come to this bill of material column header, column title. Click this button to see the drop down menu, and we see try to find manufacturer here, but we cannot do that because that title is not mentioned here. Supplier, you can find supplier but not manufacturer, so we have to type it like so. I will also check this box, use a property other than the column title. Associated property, well, we cannot find the manufacturer here either. Supplier but not manufacturer, so we have to type it like so, and then we click OK, and we got the title here. And I will grab this to change the width like so, and then I will type the manufacturer name here. I will call them Metal Workshop, and same with this one for the cylinder like so, and I will change the width, and I will also type the same name here. And then we can right click like so, and here we have assign column property values. If we click that button, we see that here we have assign property in scene. It says this will perform a one-time transfer of values from the selected column in the bill of materials to properties in the scene. The selected column is manufacturer. Transfer to which property in the scene? Manufacturer, and it will be a custom property, and it will be transferred to this file engine ICS. So I click OK, and we got a message. It says not all properties could be set correctly in the scene because make sure there are no empty cells. Well, there are a few, so I will make it easy for myself, so I just type a dash in each cell. So there are these three will be added to the cylinder and the crankcase and the displacer piston. Now when all cells has an information, so I will right click again on assign column property values. We come to the same place. Now we click OK. Now it says successfully set the column properties in the scene. So I will click OK, and I click OK here too, like so. But the bill of materials are too long for to fit the title block. Well, we can do some changes. I double click the bill of materials again, and we will set the width. I select first one, A column, right click, column width 20. I think that's enough because item number must fit in the column, and this one quantity is 10. Yes, the C column width 50. I think I will change that to 30, like so. And description, right click, column width 90. I will set that one to 75, and we have the new column width 34. I think I will set that one to 35. Then I click OK, and you see now if it fits. Yes, it does. Well, now it's the question, was this information transferred to the 3D scene? Well, we select this view and right click. I think I have moved a bit, like so, and right click, and I will choose Edit Scene. And we come to this 3D scene, select the assembly. We expand the assembly here, and we right click the crankcase. We click Part Properties, Custom Property, and here we have the information we transferred from the drawing. Manufacturer, metal shop, here. So it means that you can add a custom property in a part in the 3D scene and transfer it to the drawing. So you can do the opposite to what we have been doing right now. Now we have transferred information from the drawing to the 3D scene, but you can do the opposite. Well, I click OK, and I will close this scene. I will not save, like so, and I will update. I will also click Fit Sheet. Well, I want to save this, save the changes, and to do that we have to save it as a template, so that we can use this bill of materials in another drawing. So I will right-click when it is selected, and here we have Save as Template. Then we'll go to the folder where we installed the IronCAD. We come to ENUS and the template folder and bill of materials, and here we can create a new folder. New folder, I could call it company. Double click the folder, and here we can save the bill of materials as company, like so, and we'll save. Then we'll delete the bill of materials, and we come up to annotation, bill of materials. Now we have a new tab here, company tab, and we have also our new or saved bill of materials. We select that one, select default. When to use configuration, we use default configuration. Click OK, and we have our customized bill of materials here with the information from the 3D scene, like so. Then now we have customized our bill of materials. We have also saved it as a template, and also we have add information in the bill of materials and transferred it to the 3D scene.